children, today we are going to start with the first chapter, that is Delhi. What is Delhi? It's the capital of India. So, in this chapter, I will tell you about the different places that are located over here, right? And some important places where our different ministers live. So, Delhi, where it is located? It is located in northern part of India. India के northern part में lie करता है, right? It has been a place of rajas and maharajas. पहले कौन रहते थे? राजाज रहते थे, महाराजाज रहते थे. That has been the fall and rise of many empires. It was the capital of many powerful kingdoms. ये capital रही है बहुत सारे powerful kingdoms की. Right now, places of interest. If we talk about Red Fort, it is one of the most magnificent place. अगर हम बात करते हैं रेड फोर्ट की, it's one of the most magnificent places in the world. It is called so because it is made up of red stone, which it is built. Many tourists come and visit over here. Another place of interest are Humayun Tomb, National Museum, International Doll Museum, Zoo, Jantar Mantar, Qutub Minar, Jantar Mantar, Qutub Minar, Lotus Temple, and the National War Memorial in Delhi. These are the different places of interest. If we talk about Qutub Minar, what it is the tallest brick minaret in the world. Right? So Rajghat, it is the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation. जो राजघाट है वो किसके समाधि है? हमारे father of nation. And who is the father of nation? Mahatma Gandhi. Right? One of the family places of interest is India Gate. Everyone knows about it. It's a stone monument. What it is? Stone monument which is built in the memory of Indian soldiers who fought and died in the First World War. So the Amar Jawan Jyoti, it is flame lit at India Gate in the memory of soldiers on 21st January 2022. Older flame was merged with newer one at the National War Memorial. Dakshardhan Temple, one of the most beautiful built temple in Delhi, where it is situated in bank of river Yamuna. Jama Masjid, it is of Delhi, right? And it is the largest mosque in India. क्या है सबसे बड़ा और largest mosque है. Every religion has a religious. देखो हर एक religion की अपनी अपनी क्या होती है religious place होती है, right? And Hindus have temples, Muslims have mosques, Sikhs have gurudwaras, and Christians have churches. And Delhi enjoys what? All the festivals. वो हर culture को respect करते हैं, हर tradition को follow करते हैं. If we talk about some important festival of Delhi, that is Diwali, Holi, Baisakhi, and Eid, Christmas, New Year, lot more. And they also celebrate our national festival like Republic Day and Independence Day. Here, if we talk about the fastest means of transport, that is your Delhi Metro. And it is one of the fastest and expanding metro network over here. Now, location and climate. If we talk about the location and climate of Delhi, so today Delhi is a union territory and it is divided into two parts, Old Delhi and New Delhi. We have 4 metropolitan city. उसमें से एक आपकी दिल्ली है. We will study further in other chapters about all the other metropolitan city. It is also called mini India. यहाँ पे अगर हम क्लाइमेट की बात करें तो क्लाइमेट कैसा है? एक्सट्रीम है, ठीक है, बहुत ज्यादा हॉट है और डे में in summers and very cold in winter. Hot and dry winds blow करती है like Loo. And in the month of May and June, Delhi receives maximum rainfall. सबसे ज्यादा जो बारिश होती है वो कब होती है? During July and August. Now, all important offices of the government of India are located over here. The president, the prime minister, and all of have their office in New Delhi. President of India, where does they live? In the Rashtrapati Bhavan. Prime Minister's office is located in South Block of the Secretariat building. Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha की जो मीटिंग होती है वो कहाँ होती है? आपकी पार्लियामेंट हाउस में होती है, राइट? सेंट्रल विस्टा वाज इनॉग्रेटेड ऑन 20th May 2023 और किसने इनॉग्रेट किया था? प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी. All important officials from other countries stay and work in Delhi and these places are known as embassies. इन्हें हम embassies कहते हैं और high commissions कहते हैं, right? So this is all about in this chapter. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we meet in the next class. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying.